G'day everyone, how everyone going? Well, what I'm doing today, I decided to come out to Cockle Creek near Speers Point. I've never fished here before, so I'll give it a go. I've got the kayak out here today. And I've changed these used to be floats. And I made them up out of just buoys that go beside your boat when you come up the jetties. You put a bolt in there. Mainly come to giving them a go, and I'll go out and throw a few lures around. I got, I think, a Z-Man watermelon on that one, and I've got some of these other ones in here too, some of those ones, gulp, baby shrimp. So I'll give all them a go, see if we can anything. But anyway, I'll get out in the water. I'll see when I get out in the water. I'll probably put you on the chest mount, I dare say, or I can put you on this pole I've made up here. I'll see what happens anyway. I'll see. Oh well, I'm out on the water, but I just noticed my buoys are a bit too deep in the water. I'm gonna have to change them. Try to lift them up somehow. Bend them so they come up out of the water a bit more, but it's too far into the water. Anyway, that'll do for the day, but I'll put you back in there. Turn you around. And I'm gonna paddle down this way a bit. A little bit too much drag. I'll give it a go. I think it'll stay up a couple of hours. I won't stay up for long. I don't know if I'll catch anything in here, but I'll give it a go. Me and my missus went over to the Morissette show yesterday afternoon. We're going to go to watch the rodeo, and what a nightmare over there. They run out of food. Talking to a couple of friends, they were little kids, they run out of water at the drink stands and all that. They ran out of water and food at 6 o'clock last night, so no one could buy nothing after that. And it was a shit show. That many people there, there was thousands. We were talking to one of the volunteers, and the volunteer said, oh, we didn't expect so many people to turn up. Yeah, didn't expect so many people to turn up. Anyway, we only stayed there 10 minutes to come home, but you couldn't see the rodeo, couldn't see nothing. It was a waste of time going there. And if you don't know, my wife's in an electric wheelchair, so she couldn't, it was a waste of time being there, she couldn't see anything. Anyway, these things happen. Anyway, this one I'm using. First, I'm going to use this little one on 6-pound braid. Let's see if I can get anything. Oh, it cast out alright. I didn't know how I was going to cast out, but it's pretty windy. So I don't know how I'm going to go. The wind's blowing pretty strong. I was going to come out yesterday morning, but the wind yesterday was supposed to be worse than today, but yeah, the wind's just blowing a little lure too far. I might have to go wait for this to bottom. Don't know how long I'm going to be out here for. The way the wind's blowing, it won't be too long. You might probably hear the wind in the background. I'll turn you off if I catch anything, or get back to you if not. You won't see me till I get home, or head home. Anyway, get back to you. Oh, I got something. Don't know what it is. Only a little line. Oh, good size flatty. Real good size flatty. Now just get him in. Oh, look at the size of him. He's a pearl. Oh. Come here, mate. Come here. Come here. Come here. No. Oh, fuck me. Come here. Come here. Come in there. Come in there. Come in the net, you cunt. Worst thing about kayaks, I think I should put my other net. That's only a little. Oh, yes. Size of him. He's a beauty. Holy Jesus. Oh, guys. He's a pearl, a flathead. I get my lip grips. I get him out and show you. Oh, stay net. There he is, the size of him. He's a pearl. He's a monster. Chuck that net back up the front. He's a monster. See how long he is. If he's over 7 now, I can't keep him. I'll just get organised here now, people. There's my scale thing down there. Can't see it. Hang on. I have to get organised. I suspect I'll just trolling the lures along. That's 0. What's that there? 50. 50. 45, 50, 65 centimetre. Guess what? He's coming home with me. I know over 70 you have to chuck him back. I just double check. There's 50 there. Yeah, about 65 centimetres. He's coming home with me, that fella. Stay there, mongrel, don't you flick. He's a pearler. Didn't think I was going to catch anything here today. And all I was doing is trolling the lure behind, just rowing along. Nice steady rowing. And he got smashed. I've got nothing to put him in. So I have to use a keeper net. The only thing I've got I can put him in. Try to get him in there, which is not going to be easy. Go in there, yeah, mongrel. I'll get him in there. There you go. Pearler. There he is there, the size of him. He's a monster. If I catch any more now, I'll throw them back. Can't believe that. I've got something. Now I have to skewer him so he don't fall. You just sit there like that, I do. Make sure I tie him good to this. What a start. Only been here 15 minutes. If that. I didn't even bring a bag. I bought nothing with me to put him in. Didn't bring air ski. Didn't bring nothing. So what I'll do, I'll leave him there in the water. He'll be right. And I'll head back over towards it. Head back over towards this bank. I'm pretty close to the bank too. really should have bought a bag or something I can put them in. Even a little esky in the back, which I probably haven't got one to fit in the back of this. I might have, I'll have to have a look when I get home. Because I keep doing this, I'll have to get an esky or something. Well, that's one good sized slatey. If I catch another big one now like that, I'll just throw it back. Only want the one. They're about 65 centimetres. Over 70 you have to throw them back, so I was pretty lucky. Flick that back over, start rowing down this way a little bit. Have to move that right as it gets in the row of my paddle when I paddle. Only 6 pound braid on that, so I had to be very careful with it. Didn't like that little net. Make sure some line's going out. That'll do it. There you go, I'll turn you off, and if we get anything else, I'll get back to you then. Boat in the water there. Looks like she's sunk. And they've just left it there. Fiberglass boat. Yeah. Okay, go. I'll just turn you back on for a minute. That's all I was doing, just paddle along with the line hanging out the back. Paddle along a little bit, just let it slow down, drift a little bit. I'm just staying close to the bank. But you should be able to see the bank beside me. Can't believe I got one. Haven't caught a decent sized fish for the last 3-4 fishing trips I've done in the boat. A lot of good places along here where I can come and put the kayak in. A bit better when I put it in over there, real rocky. A lot of real big rocks. But I know there's a lot of places. This looks like you spent an old boat ramp just here. Looks like you spent an old boat ramp. I might even put the kayak in there next time. Pretty good spot. Nope, hit the rod with muzzle. I might even change it to the chest mount in a little while. I've got the chest fan in the boat as well. It's a bit hard to do with the chest mount with this life jacket on, but I'll give it a go. See if I can get anything else. Coming up to the railway bridge in a minute. I'm going to go up to the railway bridge and I'm going to go down the other side, doing the same what I'm doing now. Just poking along like this. I was going to put the electric motor on today, but I wanted to row it to see how it rows with these pontoons. It actually rows still pretty good, I have to say, even though they're pretty deep in the water. It still rows reasonably good. And I'm not putting no real bad effort into it. Well, it's not someone down here fishing. I don't know, I'll get down a bit closer and I might have to go out a bit. I don't know if it's fishing or not. Could be. I'll go out this way just in case he's fishing. Head out this way. something. Now I'll turn you off and get down a bit further and turn you back on till we get down here. Well, that's it for this trip, folks. I only caught the one fillet there. I dropped 2 and didn't get nothing else. Plenty of snags. But it's been a good day. The wind's pretty shit, trying to throw little lures around and the wind's bad. That's it. I'll give you a closer look tonight when I'm going to cook him tonight, and I get to do it catch and cook. So I'll do that tonight. Anyway, I'll see you when I get back to the house. Bye for now. Well everyone, I'm at home now, and I just measured him. He measured 64. I was pretty close. I said 65 and he was 64. I just measured him a minute ago. And clean him up. I won't show you cleaning him up. I'll clean him up and everything, and then get him in the fridge and we'll cook him tonight. And I'll do that and I'll see you when I'm start cooking. Well, I'm going to cook the fish now, folks. I'm going to actually cook them a different way. I usually haven't done this way before, but I'm going to egg them, breadcrumbs, and put them in the fry pan. That's how I'm going to do it. I'll grab a knife. And this is all the fish I've got here. And Faith's actually having tacos tonight, so I'm going to have fish tacos. And once I cook it all up and Faith does that, then I'll show you when we finish it. So I'm going to cut these up in little pieces. There's no bones in these pieces. There's some pieces in there with bones. And what I'm going to do first, just cut them up in little pieces like that. That one's the same. These bigger pieces, I'm just going to slice them down the centre, then cut them across that way. Some of them pieces still got bones in them, so what I'm going to do with them pieces, I'm going to cook them, but I'm not going to put them in the tacos. I'll just pick the meat off around them. Might cut that one down that way too. Gonna have plenty of fish here. What I don't eat tonight, I'll just chuck it in the fridge, and it'll be tomorrow's lunchtime. I could eat fish every day. I love fish that much. A lot of people don't, but I will. So anyway, what I'm going to do now, sit that just there, grab that, make some eggs in the bowl. Just 2 eggs for now. I'll grab a whisk. Whisk eggs up. Just whisk eggs up there. Might put another egg in there. Oh shit, shell and all. That won't hurt. Bit of bit more flavour. There you go, some oil. A bit of oil chuck in the fry pan. Bit of old canola oil, throw it in the fry pan. Make it the off. Turn it off, get oil on so it gets nice and hot. Keep risking this up. I'll move that out of the road. I've got this bit of stuff here. This bit of the flathead I caught last trip. Oh, one other trip's been in the freezer. That one's got a bit of bone in it, so I chucked that in there with the bony pieces. I've never done fish this way before, so let's see how we go. Oh, that should do it, I hope. Anyway, that'll do it. That's how I'm doing it anyway. And I'll just dip the fish in the egg. Over onto the breadcrumbs. Just chuck the breadcrumbs over top of it. And go back in the egg again. And back in the breadcrumbs again. So they just look like that. I'll just, before I keep going, I'll grab another plate, sit them on. Another plate there. Make sure I've got a nice coat of breadcrumb on it. Sit them there. So I'll just keep going with the rest of them. I'll chuck all these in there. And I'll go to the whisk and just whisk it up a bit. So they get a good coat of breadcrumb on. And I can take them out. Sit them on the breadcrumbs. Grab a bit more breadcrumbs out of here. There we go. Roll them around. We've got the oil on already, so I'm going to let the oil get warm up before I put them in. Yeah, back in the egg again, back on there, more breadcrumbs, and on the plate, back in the egg again, back on the breadcrumbs, and on the plate. Now what I'll do now, I'll do the rest of these, do all this fish, then I'll get back to it once I finish doing all this fish. Can you turn that down a bit, Faye? Yeah. And here we go, I'm putting them all in now. Just stick them straight in the oil. Yeah, I'll cook all them ones first. Let them cook up a bit. And I'll grab a set of, just sitting right here, the tongs. Actually, they're going to look good. So I'll just grab them like that, just roll them over. Won't take long to cook them. Yeah, they won't take too long to cook. Yep, that's how I'm going to cook them now. I'll let them cook up a bit, and I'll show you once they cook up a bit, and I'll take them out and put more in. There you go, that's all the fish is done. I've just got those bony pieces in there. I'm going to put them on that plate and just cover them up, put them in the fridge. They can sit in the fridge tonight and probably eat them for lunch tomorrow or something. Yeah, so we'll get back to you when we get all the rest of the stuff done. Alright, we've got everything cut up. I'm going to dish it all out in a minute to soften the tacos up. The girls have got their chicken in there. Beef and chicken. I'm using them up there, look. I'm using those ones. Got to plate it all up in a minute and I'll show you. Well, here we go. We're going to make them up. I'll just change this up a bit. I've got my little things and my avo in the bottom. Bit of onion. Some tomato. Bit of lettuce. Some strips of fish. I'm even going to put cheese on the fish. A bit of salsa sauce. I'll get another teaspoon of it. And some sour cream. Yep. If I can get it off. There you go. Show you. That's what I'm having for tea. Just back over there for a sec. Oh, get the camera straight. What's going on there? The camera's not straight here. It's going all crooked on me. Oh, there you go. And I give it a taste test. Beautiful. Beautiful. Anyway, that'll be it for this video. I'm going to go eat my tea and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.